Well, hello again, High Block family. Welcome to part 2 of how to fade and cut this haircut. I got my son in the chair today. We're going to transform. First, we make that bowl all around the head. Trim it down, then put that 5 High Block tape on the sides and back.
I like to start by flattening everything down. I get the little top part of this little bang, you know. I get the little bang part and I kind of flatten it down. I close the clippers all the way to the end part. See, all the way to the end. I come down on it. Take away the excess hair. And also do the same around the sides. Right here at the top part. So when we fade, we won't have to worry about any of that. Alright, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take these guards out. We did it with the one guard, right? So now we're gonna take these guards off. Open it all the way up, all the way to the end. Make a bowl around his head. Or a straight line, rather. They call it a bowl. Make a bowl all the way around. Showing you all what I do, baby. I've made the bowl around perfectly straight. Okay, I'm gonna give him a turn so you can see what I'm talking about. Boom, 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 boom. See? Perfectly straight. All right, got the bowl on. Now, what I'm gonna do, clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna put the guard back on. I'll show you how quick the fade is. Gonna go back with the one. And also, I'd like to mention that this is a taper comb. I love this comb. Yep. Alright, so clean it up a little bit. Open it all the way up. And go against the grain. Nothing but a couple of steps. If you're trying to learn how to do it, it's going to be easy for you. Against it, kind of fading around, making everything look even. Combing it as we go. We want to comb, because if we don't comb, we won't know if everything is even or not. So we comb around as we go, playing with it, looking at it. You're supposed to first know how it's supposed to look at all times. If you don't know how it's supposed to look, then you won't be able to get it to look like it's supposed to look. Got it? Understand where I'm coming from? All right, let's go. And I have a habit of flicking this level, but I'm gonna try my best to tell y'all every time I flick it so you'll know what I'm doing. But sometimes I have the tendency to just do it without saying anything. So if you hear that click, let me know what I did. See what I did then. I didn't want to get all the way up inside of here flat, so I just put it all the way up to the second level so I can sneak it in there a little bit. Kind of fade it in with the corner of the clipper. Just the corner. Kind of fade it in there. But now since this here is flat, I could just go and open it all the way back up. Now I get back to that corner, get up real close, go out the rest of his hair with this comb. It's looking pretty good. So let's take the guard off. dust them off. Oh wow, good dusting and a good smacking. Clean the clippers out. So we're gonna start at the bottom of the line, the bowl, whatever we call it, and just fade it away. Fade the line away. See, the key to this is what I just told you. You gotta know what it's supposed to look like. If you don't know what it's supposed to look like, then it's impossible to make it look like it's supposed to look. So now I know I want to make it look like a fade, so that's why I'm using the corner. See, I'm using the corner of my clip. I'm putting it in, I'm digging in, taking out the pieces that I want. Now when I get to this flat line, I just flick it like this. Those are the movements, man. You get a corner or a flat flick. No extra tricks, no backwards movements. Now I do have an extra, like flatten it out type, what I do. Like this here, I open it all the way up, and then I just lay it down on there. And that helps to smooth out what you've already done, you know? You don't know how it's supposed to look already, you're not gonna be able to get to a finished product that you want it to look like, okay? I wanted to reiterate that to make sure we got it. I clicked it one notch so I can knock the line out. Just one notch from the bottom. Clicked it one notch. And I open it back up. Kind of fade it in the way I want it to look. If it's not taking off enough hair, then I gotta come on up, you know. The more you come up, the more hair it takes off. So let's kind of flatten it down a little. I'm working with my left hand, people, y'all see that? Ambidextrous, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes. But sure, man, we've almost did a whole full-fledged haircut and no tricks involved, man. Anybody could do this. You just have to practice until you get it to look in the way you want it to look. Remember that. Because everybody has their own different flavor. So your haircut not gonna look like my haircut because you didn't see what I seen in my head. You seen only what you seen in your head. All right, let's turn it ready and get ready for the edge. So we're doing our little detail work, kind of fading it down a little, making sure with the corners of the clippers. Nothing big, just no tricks. We're using the corner of the clipper. Kind of fading it down a little. Get right in the middle. So what I like to do, I like to get right in the middle. He has what they call a willow peak, or Eddie Monster, or whatever everybody like to call it. I don't know. But yeah, McDonald's, I guess, I don't know. But right here, I just cut that right off. See a little extra hair, so I kind of get in the side of the clippers on it. Take it away. Then make my line. Okay, I kind of just barely tap the line a little. Alright, so this is the trick. See, I pull his head up a little bit just to add a little resistance so I can make a sharp line. People ask me like, how do you get the line to be so sharp? You gotta pull on his head. See, I pull down on his head a little bit right there. And I pull up on it a little bit. Just a little resistance. Kind of like a trick of the trade, I guess. Trying to get right there at the corner where it stops going at. Now, rule of thumb, the rule is that the line starts at the end of his eyebrow. So, see that line right there? Starts at the end of his eyebrow. So, the line right there, line right there. We're just making a imaginary line right now. We'll come back and clean it up after everything is done. Cut it back, kind of like the same thing. Kind of pick up a little bit. Push down on it. It gives you the same sharpness you're looking for. Don't pass set clippers. You have to set these blades. Pull that ear back. Turn around. Turn that part of the head up. Makes the ears look fabulous. Alright, so same thing on this side. I want to kind of fade it down first before I start edging. So let's go with the little faded hookers. Kind of fade it down there. Alright. So now let's go back to the edging part. Same thing. I'll pull down on it a little bit. Get the most out of the edge. Pull down on it. Pull down on it. Pull that up. The next right in it. Now the trick to this here, sometimes when you're doing the edge, you gotta kind of come up a little bit on the other side so it can be even. So you gotta stand back. This one, looking into the mirror makes a big difference. Sometimes you can't see it with your naked eye. You have to turn your client around so that you can look inside of this mirror. In the corner of his elbow, straight down.
Got them all wrapped up now, finna let them go. This video was longer than normal, but I hope you were all able to learn a few tricks, as well as how to fade and cut this haircut. Thank you, High Block fam. Peace.